Hey, it's Gracie with WTI. If you're looking for a 3-in-1 solution for not only listening to your favorite music while working, but also protecting your ears from those loud, harsh noises at work, and being able to talk on the phone, all with the same pair of headphones, well, these Pro 2.0 Bluetooth earplug headphones from ISOtunes has you covered. I love the Bluetooth connectivity on these. I can leave my phone 30 feet away and still be able to listen to my favorite tunes. And they have up to a 16-hour battery life, so I can use these for multiple days in a row without having to recharge every time. And the most important feature of these headphones is that they can reduce outside loud noises by 27 decibels. So if you work in construction with heavy machinery or welding, or heck, even just mowing the lawn, those constant loud noises aren't good for our ears. So it makes me feel good wearing these, knowing that they will help protect my hearing. Another great feature is their noise canceling mic. So you know how with headphones, sometimes when you're on the phone, the person on the other end can hear a lot of static in the conversation? Well, I've not had any complaints from others while I'm talking on the phone with these. And I also really like the ear hook design, knowing that I won't drop them or lose them anytime I take them out of my ears. And they also come with multiple different ear tips. My favorite is this cone-shaped one, which fits nice and snug to my ears. So say goodbye to those bulky earmuffs and experience these lightweight, comfortable, and protective headphones. And that's my point of view.